All right, so this is part I don't know what we'll say. We'll say this is part, I think, part 7 now. And so basically we have our little thing right here. I decided to add another one right here. That's just going to have a little like a little emoji right there to show your strength. And I actually just decided I want to make my text color white instead. All right. Um, and so now there we go. So now if we go turn that off, go into our leaderboards, we can get rid of that. And I say I guess set our strength. Oh no, let's just give it random number 18 and press play. Then it should say that our strength is 18. Yeah, it does. Okay, that's good. So now our strength is 18. So I'm not trying to make this like a super high-end game, so I'm just gonna do this as like a starter project. But anyway, I want to just duplicate this. And now I just want to have like completely another one. Alright, so now let's just go into the code. We're gonna go into the code that this one has. We're gonna copy this code. Then we're gonna go into this code. No, wait. Alright, so it like turns out that this script was actually already here. So what we're gonna do instead now is text. I guess we're just gonna do coins because we want the value of coins instead of strength now. So before we do anything, let's just set our coins to like 91. Now if we join, it'll probably tell us 91, and then we'll just switch it to a coins thing. Alright, so that's that. So that's good. So now we're just gonna get an emoji for coins. We can get rid of both of these now. Just get an emoji for coins that we're gonna put here. So let me just search up coin emoji. You guys can't see it, but I have it picking up right here. Uh, Let me see if this will work. I have one right here. I don't know if it's gonna work though. Oh, it got blocked. Of course it got blocked. Let me see if I can, instead, I'll just use, maybe I'll just use, oh no, I have a better idea. Maybe just search up, cash emoji. Oh no, I'll just get this. I found the $sign emoji. Kind of, basically. It's not green though. I don't know why it's not green. Oh, I have the text color set to something else. Why is it not going? That's weird. Maybe I'll just get a different emoji. I'm gonna go get this cash emoji. Hopefully the cash emoji will work. Alright, so cash emoji. Alright. Oh, that actually came out really good. Look how good. Oh my god, look how good that came out. Alright, and now that works. So now we just need to figure out a way to click. So I think I can do that down there, but let me just see something. So I know that there's something I can do, but before we do that, let's just add another screen GUI. Is it this one right here? It's this one. And now to this screen GUI, we're going to add a text button. Hit the text button. That's going to be in the middle. Alright. And so now what we got to do, let's just make it, I will fix it later. Where's the stuff at? I'm trying to find like where is like the place where you can type in a place for it. Position. I think it's, no, that's position. We need size. Where's the size? I literally just saw size. I want it to be like a square. So we're gonna do 0, 100. 0, 100. That should make it. Oh, I typed it wrong, didn't I? 0, 100, 0, 100. There we go. That should work. Put the 83 up. Alright. So that'll be good. So we're gonna get our text button. We're going to do just search up our text. Now we're going to put text size. We're gonna have set to 45. And now let's just search up our mouse emoji. Or maybe click emoji. I'll just take this one that I found over here. Alright, so we're gonna put in our click emoji. Oh, that's not good. Alright, so what about 100? Alright, then in this case, 95 should work. Okay, that works. Now we're going to take over here. We're going to sample our background color from over here. Close that. Go over here. Give it that background color. Alright. And with that background color, I guess it should work now. I know we need to add a local script for this. And there is some kind of way to make it click. So I'm just going to go search it up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I was just honestly kind of messing around a little bit and doing some random stuff. And I have no idea what just happened, but all of a sudden it just started working out of nowhere. So I searched up a tutorial on how to do it. The tutorial didn't really work for me, and all of a sudden, when I was just randomly making some random changes, in what the tutorial told me to do, it all of a sudden just started working. It just started working. So now I have a little clicker button. I can't click anywhere else outside of the screen. But if you click this thing, of course, you know, your strength goes up, and this thing goes up over here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go get the script, for how to make a save, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just saw something. So let me just see, make sure this works. So I just, saw this. So if I go into my script, I'm just gonna name it, I'll just name it save stats. And let's see if that works. So, there we go. So I join in the game. I'll just put my clicks. I don't know, I'll just do 50. That was 50. I stop, and then I rejoin. It works. And now I can just click, I don't know, let me just click to 100. I'll just say 101. I meant to do 100, but I went one over on accident. So now on the outside of the game, of course, it isn't low, but that's fine. But if we go back in, let's go, okay, it always saves. Alright, so we got that to save. So now let me think, what should be the next part that we should do, for the rest of this? So we'll close that stuff. We need to think of like the next part we want to add to the game. So we need to figure out also we want a way to get coins. But maybe we should add like a rebirth element into the game. And then we can add coins into the game so that you can buy you can buy pets. Before I do that, I want to add in a leaderboard, like a world leaderboard. So we'll do that right now. Alright, so I decided to add, make this button a little like shorter to the ground. I mean, a little, smaller to the middle, bottom of the screen. I don't know if I said I was gonna make a global leaderboard, but I decided not to and just do it later. I decided to move the pet sign over here. That way, because that's where I'm gonna be putting my eggs. I'm gonna be putting the pet eggs like over here. Um, and so when I do that, I'm going to have this section over here for global leaderboards and other stuff if I want to add anything else there. So, what I'm deciding to do is I'm going to try to make a currency system where you can do this where you click a bunch of times, you can get a bunch of strength, and then you can go over here or somewhere to open the shop, or I'll make a GUI for it, and you can open a shop. I think I'm just gonna make it like a selling system because it's a pretty small map. So maybe I'll make it up here or something, or maybe down here because it's a little easier. I'll make a little place where you can go to. You can hover on it. It'll take all your power away, and then it'll replace it with money. You can use that money to buy um eggs to hatch pets, which will make your multiplier go up, and you can also rebirth after getting to a certain strength to make your multiplier go up. So that's what I'm thinking right now. So, that's what I'm thinking. That's probably going to be over the span of the next few episodes. But I'm going to end this episode, by getting a currency system that will convert the, strength to money. And that will be the end of this episode. So yeah, I'm going to go try to do that right now. Okay, so just a little update. I'm in the game right now, by the way, but, so basically now I can click, of course, still, when I stop the game and rejoin the game, it still loads, everything works. Now I have this open cell button. If you press it, it'll open the whole thing. Now if you click the cell thing, nothing happens, but if you click the X, it'll close it. And as you can see, it's just a little screen GUI. As you can see, it's definitely not very detailed, but it's good for now because I'm just trying to make a good first game. So it's good for my first game. But now I'm just gonna figure out how to make this exchange your strength for money. I'm thinking about in another game, make it so that there's some kind of variable that'll make the exchange between strength and money, like a multiply. I think that might be a little too hard for me right now. I don't think I'm ready for that yet because, I already have multipliers from pets, multipliers from rebirths, and I think adding a multiplier that'll connect to all of that is gonna be too hard because I can't really think of anything that'll do that. Because I think that's just better for a different type of game. But yeah, I'll be back when I figure out how to make the sell button sell. Alright, so this should work now. I tried a few different things to get it to work, but let me see. So if I go in, please tell me it works. Okay, good, it works, it works. So now if I click it, my strength goes up. Alright, so what I set it to definitely didn't work. But that's like the least important thing. It's like a thing that I couldn't care less about. But first, let me actually just change this back. This is supposed to be at leader stats, not leaderboards. Um, Open this up. Let me just change those both back to 0 because I just want a normal player to start with that. So we'll do that. Alright, everything still works. That's good. And now, alright, it works. So now I can do this. As you can see, my strength will go up. Let's say I'll just do, I don't know, say you got your strength to 50, and you have 290 coins. Now you can open the sell, you can sell it, it'll switch. Now let's say we want to get 10 more. Or that, yeah. Oh, I don't know, let's say we want to get, let me just do this so we can get to, alright, we want to get to 400. Open my sell box, sell it. Oh, sorry, I forgot. It also has a 5-second cooldown. The script I used, I can change it though. But I wanted it to have a so that's 5-second cooldown. Actually, maybe I shouldn't do that because that might confuse some players because they might be like, "What? What's going on? Why does it have a cooldown?" Yeah, that could confuse some players. Wrong one. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, this is the one. Change that to 0. All right, now it should work. Also, when I join the game, it should reload my stuff. Let's also just give myself tons of random stuff. So now we have random coins and random strength, just to test to make sure everything is fully working. Alright, everything loads. So the last things we have to do now are we're gonna have to should I add a shop too? Yeah, I forgot. Alright, I think I changed my mind. I think I might not do pets. Actually, I think I'm still gonna do pets, but I forgot I also have to add a shop. So either I'm going to add a shop over here, or I'm going to add a shop over here. Also, I probably should learn how to make GUIs by myself. That way I can just make them a little easier. And I should also probably learn how to make clicking and conversions by myself. So I'll look at the scripts and figure out how to do it by myself, and then yeah. So that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you all liked it. Make sure to tell me if you have any suggestions of scripts I can add. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to know when the next video comes out. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Whoops, I clicked the wrong stop.